Good evening and thank you for joining us both on TV and radio. We begin with an update from the courts. A local murder conviction has been overturned by the Court of Appeal of Ontario. Michelle Maluske joining me now with our top story tonight. Michelle.
Stephanie, this case goes back to 2016 with the death of Leslie Waterworth at the hands of her boyfriend. A Windsor jury found John Pierre guilty of second-degree murder, but now a new jury will need to be reselected and the case heard all over again because the Court of Appeal says the judge made a mistake. John Pierre is getting a new trial. Now 55 years old, Pierre was convicted of second-degree murder in 2018 and sentenced to life in prison with no chance of parole for 15 years. Pierre admitted to killing his girlfriend, 42-year-old Leslie Waterworth, in November 2016.
We got through it.
Yeah, we did.
And now he's going to pay.
Waterworth's family sat through every day of the 3-week trial in September 2018.
This was a complicated case factually and a difficult issue to decide.
The defense argued a long history of mental health issues, fueled by 3 days of binge drinking and drug consumption, which left his client with what is described as, quote, disordered thinking. The jury learned after the murder, Pierre acted erratically, going to a beer store, 2 restaurants, and the casino, wearing a business suit over his blood-soaked overalls. The Crown, on the other hand, argued that was the sign of a person trying to avoid responsibility, noting Pierre did not call for help and he didn't appear intoxicated or mentally unstable in any security camera footage. His appellate lawyers successfully argued, however, it was Justice Renee Pomerantz's charge to the jury where a mistake was made. The Court of Appeal has agreed the jurors weren't properly instructed to not put too much weight on that post-offense conduct over all the other evidence at trial. Pierre will remain behind bars while a new trial is scheduled in Windsor. Crown attorney Eric Costeris declined to comment on the successful appeal. Defense lawyer Ken Marley was not part of the appellate arguments, but he told me today he agrees with the court's reasoning. As for the Waterworth family, I reached out to a family member today, but they have respectfully declined to comment at this time. Stephanie?
Okay, Michelle Maluske with our top story tonight. Thank you for this, Michelle.